We are here at North Brooklyn Farms. It is a pop-up farm and public green space here in the south side of Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I'm here with Henry from North Brooklyn Farms, and he's gonna show us around today. It is undoubtedly a public space.
That's right.
But you guys also do host a whole bunch of events.
That's right, yeah. So it's a kind of unique public-private, really it's like an experiment in creating green space that actually is self-funded. So we keep this open to the community as a park, but we also have an area where we operate private events, and that revenue stream funds the whole operation. And then we have chefs in-house who prepare food from the garden and serve it at the events that we host here in the farm.
Awesome. If you had to give one or two tips or pieces of advice, what would be the little, nugget or gem that you would give them?
Make sure you have enough sunshine, make sure you have enough water, and make sure you're going to be able to actually take care of the plants that you're selecting for your garden in the long term. So I think those are often the most important things when people start an urban garden. If I see an urban garden that's been neglected, it's usually because there's not enough water, sunshine, or soil, or there's not a community built around that space that's actually going to care for that space and keep it going either in perpetuity or for the lifetime of the project.
Right on. Yeah, it's all about that commitment too.
That's
we can't
right.
forget about that. Right on.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for coming out.
I really
today,
appreciate
Joe.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun giving you guys a tour of the garden.
Henry Sweets at North Brooklyn Farms. Thanks so much for tagging along on our urban garden tour. If you want to learn even more, come visit me at Spoga+Gafa in Cologne this September. Auf Wiedersehen.